So I have an amazing new question with me, and that is, what is the best way to beat your competitors on Google? Interesting as well as a good question. Anyone can ask, and let me think for a second on what can be the best solution. Yeah, the best way to beat your competitors on Google is actually, to create, even for, these rules apply for, be it PPC or be it SEO. It's going to apply for both. And what you have to do, number one thing is optimize on your content structure. Okay, now people ask me to write a unique content. I do not emphasize, yeah, it's good to have your article written by yourself. It's good to provide unique information, but the winner is not the one who is providing unique content, but winner is one who is actually optimizing your content structure in such a way that a user is actually forced to read your content. What's the purpose of writing a unique article when no one is reading it, but rather focus on creating a content which actually people read. So optimize on your content structure. That is going to be your win-win strategy uh, for on beating your competitors. Number second is, yeah, never underestimate your competitors. I mean, what's here is to keep on learning from them, what they are doing, or what kind of a changes they are doing. Are they launching any new offer? Focus on the landing pages. The landing pages part applies more to PPC as compared to SEO, and that is, focus on the landing pages, focus on their USP. Why them? Apart from SEO PPC, it also matters as a marketing strategy on why customers should opt for your product. Even if you are sending huge traffic and no one is buying you, what's the purpose of sending targeted traffic even when no one is buying you? To make sure that people buy you with targeted traffic is to give them an offer you can't refuse. I still remember the quote from Godfather is, I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. So give them an offer people can't refuse. Number third point would be to, speed. Speed can also be a good thing. Speed is everything. Okay, the amount of time it takes for your website to be loaded while a user has entered the button. I do not want my user to think about something else while he has clicked on my website, because I want his core attention and core focus on my project, on my landing page, on my website. And to make it happen, I'm going to emphasize a lot on my speed. Okay, and fourth is early adopter. Okay, by early adopter it means it's there going to be a new technological advancement in your service product. You are going to adopt service product in your niche. Whatever it is, be an early adopter, focus on it, take it and be a winner. By the time your competitors started looking at that offer or product or service, you are already selling that to your customers, making you a winner in that field. So for that, be an early adopter. Okay, even this, this doesn't apply rule for a PPC or SEO, but this indirectly applies to it, because who is your customer is eventually your visitor. So now focus on create content, okay, for humans, not for search engines. Okay, these are the few things you can look on it. Okay, I can say a lot of things. For SEO, you can keep on looking your backlink profile. For backlink profiles, for PPC, keep on improving your ad copies, keep on improving your data. So again, the next part is as a marketing rule, and that is data is everything. Data is everything. Never underestimate the data importance. For instance, you need to know which time, which hour, which day, which area, which location, which product is working well for you and your customers. Focus on it, create variation or understand. So try to understand your visitors. For that, what you have to do, you have to work on your data. because marketing is all about testing, testing, and testing. Okay, these are few of the things which I believe in case if you have it, you can be a winner to beat your competitors on Google. Even it's for SEO, even it's for SEO, even it's for digital marketing. The rules are going to be the same. What you have to create content for a human. You have to come up with new ad copies, new landing pages. So you have to focus on your data, how you are tracking, analyzing your traffic. You are creating content for humans. You are focusing on speed, and you are what's your USP? Why you over your competitors? Is also a question like why you over your competitors. So these are the few of the things which you can focus and win your competitors even on Google or in any field. So I hope you like it, and in case if you have any further questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.